Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Escape. We're going to start right away up front. You have nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Escape on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.